heading down south to Mexico, a little bit further north in Mexico than we normally go to. Yeah, we did not sleep, unfortunately. We kind of got done a little bit later than we thought we were going to, and we just, I don't know, just couldn't sleep because we knew we were going to have to get up in a short period of time anyway. So we slept in the night before, so I think we'll be okay. But yeah, we're heading on up, and they're supposedly got a place that we can put our trailer, so we should be able to just drop it off. After we drop it off up there, we cannot have our trailer. Cannot have a chase vehicle. Nothing. We have to leave all of our vehicles. You can only take what you can fit in your car. And we're going to be jumping from spot to spot. So this is a little bit more hardcore of a no trailer race than we've done in the past. Which means it'll probably be pretty fun. But we'll see. Hopefully we can do pretty good. We did some test videos getting prepped for this race. If you haven't seen those already, go check them out at that link up there. Alright, so I didn't get to do like kind of an explanation as to what's going on. We already drew 6th pair in the right. This is all very rushed here. I guess we can't stay at this spot for very long. They said I might not even actually get a run in. It might be that quick at this spot. So I don't know, we'll see. I got crap, I gotta figure out who I got actually. But yeah, I'm in the right, so they said it's pretty sticky, so I'm gonna just let it make full boost. Not full boost, but target boost off of the launch control. And then I guess we'll see how it does. So I'm gonna rush out there real quick and see what the surface even looks like.
Looks like there's some fresh prep out there. I'm assuming it's from last night. I don't have any data for a road like that. Since we changed the gearing and new tires and suspension changes, I got nothing for that. It feels really good, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it what I think is all it's got and see what it does. It'll either be really cool or it may spin, but man, I don't think it's going to spin. take a guess at the third road I've never seen before. I haven't raced, so this is the third road I'm guessing. I haven't even raced yet. I don't know if it's always like this. Definitely difficult. I don't give you a whole lot of time. Only reason I got this time is because I don't have to draw while they're drawing right now. Made it through first round finally at the third spot, and it is an absolute crap surface. I mean, good. I mean, it didn't. I can't leave with any power whatsoever. So I think we did good in leaving it with no boost. It was at a low RPM, and then I literally was just pedaling the living crap out of it. Both of us were. I mean, I bet you by halfway down, nobody used over 50% throttle.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
It was close. They
Prime didn't even do a burnout.
Yeah. Oh, I know. So I'll try it again. I mean, same calibration is going to work in there. Just gotta know that it's not going to bite, and it's a pedal fest. Well, see how it goes.
went good too. I learned what it felt like from the first pass on there about like how much throttle I could give it. And second gear is, you know, a little bit loose. So you go early in the second, and then you still have the partial throttle. You couldn't really mat it until you put it into third. So then on this last pass, I went early in the second and fairly early in third, but I didn't try to mat it in second, so I didn't wiggle at all. It was just nice and smooth. So when I put it into third, I was able to mat it, and I only had to steer a little bit. Boost was still down really low because I got the progression really slow, but it was enough. I didn't feel the need to use the scramble because I saw him in the mirror, so I knew I had like at least 2 cars on him. So it was good. I don't know what we're gonna do now. I'm assuming we draw, but I don't know if it's gonna be at the same spot or a different one. So we'll see.
Hopefully the same spot.
Well, the problem is like I don't have a whole lot of rear-wheel drive options. Like, you know, I like a road like this, but all-wheel drive guys I do too.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Wow. Are you talking about gripping?
You got the cold.
Anybody? Where?
Oh, where? I don't care.
Y'all get first.
Not that.
Y'all wanna draw it? Or y'all wanna flip? No, we gotta draw it.
Everyone's having fun.
All right, one tip
Take
for
the
you.
turbos off.
One.
Two spark plugs.
Yeah.
Oh, God, you're super.
Liam, one?
No. Which one?
One. What's your draw? Huh?
Son of a bitch.
Sure.
That's on the inside.
Somebody's done that.
Yeah, someone's done.
All right.
Yeah. So you get the buy. Yeah.
Redraw? Yeah, let's do it.
You got it. Couldn't see what happened.
He blew that apart trying to run by him on the finish line.
Could you tell who won?
Huh?
Who won?
The GP car.
Shit.
Alright, with the wind, brace your car. I'm going to tell him to bring it to us.
Everybody to the back, everybody to the back, let's roll.
Well, considering they've been in North Carolina.
The other one that I really like is 56,008.
Well, that rough one said, "You're fired."
Well, you're back-to-back winners.